Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to day 175 of trying a new makeup product every day. Today I have the Essence Brighten Up Banana Powder to test out. This is another product from my recent Ulta purchase. This was only $4.99. I have actually never tried out anything from the brand Essence, and one of my subscribers actually recommended the brand to me a very long time ago. Her name is Makeup by Tanya, so I'll link her channel down below. She has such a great channel. She's so good at makeup, and she recommended this brand to me, and I'm finally trying it out. Since the Femme Couture Illuminating Powder did not do what I was hoping of really brightening my under eyes, I wanted to give this powder a try and see if this will give me that brightening effect. I feel like this pan is very thin. Like there is just a thin coating of powder over this. So I feel like I would hit pan very quickly. At least it was only about $5. Let's first go ahead and swatch it. That is quite brightening, even on my super fair skin. It looks super powdery in the swatch though, so I'm hoping once I apply it to my face, it looks smooth and natural and not like a cakey powder. This claims to be great for baking concealer, so I'm going to apply my concealer and then we'll bake with this and see how it does. For concealer today, I'm gonna go in with my trusty Tarte Shape Tape, and then I will blend it in with my Real Techniques sponge. I have reviews already on my channel of this sponge and the Tarte Shape Tape concealer, so I'll be sure to link those down below if you want to see them. Okay, so now that my concealer is applied, my face is looking so brightened and highlighted, so I don't want the powder that I used to set it to take that away. So let's see how well this Essence Brighten Up Banana Powder does. It would have been nice if we had a mirror in here. I'm just going to take my same sponge, and since I'm baking, I want to put a decent amount in order to create a layer of powder on top of the concealer that will then allow the concealer to bake and increase its temperature underneath the powder. So I need enough powder to let that happen, and then I'll just brush it away afterwards. And I'm just going to put the powder everywhere that I put my concealer. I do really like the color that's showing up right now. It is very brightening. I look so silly. But even though it's a banana powder, it's not very yellow at all. I would just say it's more of a bright off-white color. So I'll go ahead and let this sit for a few minutes to let the baking take place, and then I'll come back, brush it away. We'll see how the concealer looks, how my skin looks. We'll see if it's drying or not. So I'll be right back. All right, I can brush this away. I actually got this cute little brush from the dollar store recently, so I'll use this to brush away the excess powder. Okay, wow, my skin is still looking so brightened where I put the concealer. I love this highlighting effect, and this is how I want my skin to look after I apply a concealer and a powder, because I don't lose the brightness. I feel like that's really important to me to maintain the light and bright color, since my skin is so fair that if it gets darkened like even the tiniest bit, then it's just gonna match the rest of my skin and I'm not gonna get the highlighted effect. And I had been concerned about this looking too powdery and cakey on my skin, but no, it really is looking just natural. Like it's just my natural skin texture, but brightened. And it's really mattified my liquid concealer, and it's made it so that there is absolutely no creasing. And I have a lot of like fine lines underneath my eyes where concealer, especially the Tarte Shape Tape, tends to gather and crease. And this powder is doing a great job of preventing that. It also looks very smooth over my pores on my cheeks here. So yay, I'm so happy with how this worked out. It's looking so good. It feels so comfortable on my skin. It doesn't feel drying, and I do tend to have very dry skin, especially on my chin, and it didn't dry my chin out at all. It really does look so smooth. Oh yay, I'm so happy that I was able to find a powder that is so affordable but so successful at really brightening my skin and being really great for baking. So I'm gonna do a flashback test. So I'm gonna take a picture with flash and I'll insert it here and we'll see if there's any flashback. Wow, it photographs so beautifully. None of that white residue flashback effect, but it still looks so bright on my under eyes and so highlighted. And it just looks so smooth. And I will be able to link this down below. Another very successful Ulta purchase for me. I'm so excited, I'm on a roll. I'm hoping that the next products that I try out from my Ulta haul will be just as successful with these past 4 that I've tried so far. Thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day. And I will see you tomorrow in my next video.